Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. In this quick tutorial I am going to show you how to connect your Shopify store to Printify so you can start selling custom print-on-demand products in just a few minutes. The first thing you need to do here guys is to go to the printify.com and log into your account. So if you don't have one yet, you just need to click sign up, and of course it's free. And then once you're inside your Printify dashboard, click your profile icon on the top right, and then of course select Manage My Stores. As you can see here in the video guys, you'll be able to see here your My New Store. And then here guys, you just need to click Connect and then choose the Shopify. And then a new window will open asking for your Shopify store URL. You just need to type your store's address and click Connect Store. So here you just need to tap that Continue button here, and then you'll be able to see here the new window. So here you can create your new account Shopify store or connect it with the Printify. So you can also tap that how to find your store URL, and then after that one guys, you will be redirected to your Shopify and then go to apps. So here search the Printify and then of course click install app to approve the Printify integration. And that's it guys, your Shopify store is now connected to Printify.